Going ahead and trying to learn one more step in the development of the complex number. Whenever you have learned any number system, you learn how to plot the given number on a number line. Similarly, if you wish to plot the complex number, you required not a number line but it is a complex plane. This is called as real axis, and over here this will be called as imaginary axis, and whatever this representation is called as argent plane, or it is also called as complex plane. Now I am showing how it is to be written. Suppose z is equal to say 3 plus 4i. This is nothing but one of the complex number. This 3 is called as real part of z and 4 is called as imaginary part of z. So whatever I am writing over here, it will be real number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is just a representation of the point 3, 4. So 3 over here and 4. If you ask me, this is nothing but that z. This will be nothing but that z, complex number. Okay. Suppose I am asking on this side it will be minus 1. Over here it is minus 2. And I am asking about this point. Can you tell me what will be this point? It will be correct. It will be minus 2 plus 3i. Minus 2 plus 3i. So if anyone is asking about plot the given point on a complex number, this is the method of plotting the complex number. Okay. Now, if you remember, you have learned one more fact in earlier discussion, that is nothing but conjugate. I am just trying to look at this expression and presenting over here. Real axis it will be 4, so it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 somewhere here. And imaginary is minus 7, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one. So this is nothing but the position of z, which will be representing 4, minus 7. If I want to write in a order pair. What will be the conjugate of this? It will be nothing but 4 plus 7i. 4 plus 7i. So 4 plus 7i means this is nothing but 4 and 7i. If you ask me to plot this one, so it will be coming somewhere over here, is nothing but z bar. So try to understand, there is some relation. This is nothing but z, this will be nothing but z bar. So these are nothing but the images of each other. So finding the conjugate means indirectly what we are doing, finding the image of the given complex number with respect to real axis. Remember, with respect to real axis. One more fact you have learned, that is nothing but modulus of a complex number. Z is equal to 3 plus 4i. This means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the location of the z will be nothing but this. This is nothing but the z. What is the magnitude of z? You know the method. It will be 3 square plus 4 square. If you simplify, you will get a 5. Now, what does this 5 represent over here? This distance is 3. This distance is 4. Suppose I am looking at this one. This is 4 and this is this is 3 and this is 4. This answer you are getting by obtaining the modulus. Modulus means you are trying to get this one. What does it mean? Modulus gives you the distance of the complex number from the origin. After learning this, understanding this, what is the complex number, what is conjugate and what is modulus, I want to explain one more point in this regard, that is nothing but argument. Once you are knowing the argument and modulus is already known to you, then it is possible for you to convert any complex number in a polar form. Let us look at this question. This is nothing but the given question z. Find out the magnitude of z. Magnitude of z is nothing but over here. Square of this is 3 plus 1 is nothing but 2. What does it mean? This particular complex number is 2 units away from the origin. So if this point is root 3, 1, then this distance is nothing but 2. This distance is nothing but 2. Now the argument, which word I am using, this is nothing but the angle made with this line with respect to real axis. So this is at present I don't know, so I should consider it is as theta. Okay. Now this height is nothing but 1, this is nothing but 3. So suppose I am asking what is tan theta in the picture, you will be answering 1 by root 3, and in that case theta will be equal to 30 degree. it can be written as pi by 6. It can be written as pi by 6. Okay. Now, how I am trying to connect this thing? Now, if you consider the answer of this question, z will be equal to r. It will be cos theta plus I sin theta. If you replace the value, this is nothing but argument of the complex number. Suppose only argument is asked, you will be stopping over here. But if the polar form representation is asked, so you will be writing this expression and placing the value of r and theta. So it will be r, it will be cos, it will be, you can write time being 30 only. This I will be explaining as in this you can learn. If you are written 30 degree or pi by 6, it means same only, it means same. This you can understand better when you have revised the concept called as trigonometry. So this conversion is over. So what we'll do, we'll try to find out the modulus and nothing but the conjugate. Nothing but a conjugate. Now, second one. Again, mod of z, it will be square root of, this is 4 plus, this is 4 3s are 12, and if you simplify, you will get the answer as 4. Now argument. But where is this complex number? 2. This is nothing but representation of something like that. 2 on the real axis and down. Somewhere here. So what you have answer? This length you have answer. Okay. Now if you want to get the angle, this is one way of reaching over here. Another way, this is another way also. Okay. So I am talking about this angle. I am trying to tell you what is this alpha is. Okay. Now connecting then again connecting this. This is 2 unit and this height is nothing but minus 2 root 3. I am asking you tan of alpha. Tan alpha will be equal to this by this. If you simplify, you will get minus root 3. We'll talk about only magnitude value. Okay. So alpha is nothing but 60 degree, or it will be nothing but pi by 3. Make a habitual with this 60 only. This you will learn automatically why pi by 3. But if you are comfortable with the trigonometry, you will know why I am writing pi by 3. Now this is. But if you see the previous question, it is anti-clockwise movement. Here it is clockwise movement. All anti-clockwise movement are treated as positive. Therefore, we have written pi by 6. But this is clockwise movement, so it will be considered as negative. So your answer will be z is equal to r. This formula you should write. R is nothing but 4 and replace, it will be cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sine of minus pi by 3, and you can stop. In place of pi by 3 you can write a 60 also. Now question arises, why I am using this formula, that I am going to explain. Let us consider this situation. This is a complex number z which is in the form of x plus iy. X plus iy is nothing but z. So I have shown you this length will be x, this length will be y. If you calculate, this is nothing but square of x square plus y square. That is, I am giving you some new notation as like this also. Okay, r will be equal to this. Now if I am asking cos theta, then what I will get? Cos of theta will be equal to x upon r. What is the value of x? It will be r cos theta. If I will ask what is sin theta over there, sin theta will be equal to y by r. Look in the figure, sin theta will be y by r. So what is y will be equal to? It will be r sin theta. What you are supposed to get? You are supposed to get x plus iy. I am just writing x. X means r cos theta plus I will be as it is. This is I. It will be r sin theta. You can take r common. You will be getting cos theta plus I sin theta. So this way, this rule I am trying to apply while converting the given complex number in polar form. So if you are comfortable this, you learn now positive and negative also. We'll quickly try to get the polar form representation of 2 questions. Just look at this one. Where will be this? What is the first task? Getting r. R means what? Magnitude of this. Magnitude of this will be here 3. Over here 9. It will be 12. 12 can be written as 4 3 the 2 root 3. Now where will be this location? This location will be, both are negative. It will be somewhere over here. It will be somewhere over. So this length is nothing but 2 root 3. Now just talk about the magnitude. I am writing alpha over here. This is nothing but root 3 magnitude. This will be nothing but 3. What is tan alpha in this picture? It will be nothing but 3 by root 3. It will be root 3. So alpha value in this case, it will be nothing but again 60 degree. Can be written as pi by 3. Can be written as pi by 3. Over. Now that formula, z is equal to r cos theta. R will be nothing but 2 root 3 cos theta, and over here I sin theta. Now listen here, whenever you are answering this question, to reach this place, this is one way of reaching, or this is another way of reaching. Suppose you want this angle, this is nothing but actual theta alpha I have written. This from here to here it will be 180, plus this is nothing but 60 degree. So if you are moving and writing like this, you can write 180 plus 60 means 240. This is one way of writing 240. There also I should write 240. If you are following this method, from here to here it will be how much? 180. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is nothing but pi by 3. So it will be 120. So you can write either this way. It will be cos of minus 120 plus I sin of minus 120. So positive, negative, this is the new things which you have to keep in mind. And the one last question. Get the magnitude of z is nothing but root 2. Correct? No? Minus 1 the whole square 1. Okay. Now where is this position? Minus, negative here. Okay. Minus 1 and plus 1. So this is nothing but root 2. Now connect like this. So it will be nothing but this length is also 1. This length is also 1. So if I will ask this alpha here, alpha is nothing but 45 degree, or it can be written as pi by 4. But I told you it is to be considered with respect to x-axis. So if argument will be in this case, this is theta from here. How much? Here alpha is pi by 4. So it will be pi by 2 plus pi by 4. 90, and this is nothing but 45. It will be 135. So this can be written as either 135. If you take LCM, it will be 3 pi by 4. So the final answer for this question is nothing but r cos theta plus I sin theta. So the answer will be r is nothing but root 2. It will be cos of 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. So in this discussion, we have learned the meaning of argument and how to convert the given complex number into a polar form. Thank you.